In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your store with Shippo. By the end, your online store will be linked, so new orders flow into Shippo automatically and you can start creating shipping labels with ease. First, log into your Shippo account. From the main dashboard, head to Settings, then select Stores. This is your home base for managing any storefront connections. If you're on a shared computer, make sure you're signed into the correct Shippo account before you begin. Next, click Connect Store. If this is your very first connection, you may see a list of e-commerce platforms right away. Either way, you'll choose your store's platform from the list. Things like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, eBay, Etsy, and more. Picking the correct platform ensures Shippo sets up the right type of connection for your store. On the Connect Store page, you'll be asked for details specific to your platform, often your store URL or your login credentials. Enter the requested information and click Continue or Connect. Many platforms will redirect you to log in securely and authorize Shippo to access orders and fulfillment data. Make sure you have admin permissions on your store so the connection can complete successfully. If your platform prompts for approval, review the permissions and confirm. You might also see two-factor authentication, which is normal for secure integrations. Once the connection is successful, your orders will begin populating the orders page in Shippo. For many platforms, like Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, and Etsy, Shippo checks for new orders roughly every 15 minutes. If you want to see the latest right away, you can manually trigger a refresh by clicking Sync Orders. Give it a moment, then look for your recent and unfulfilled orders to appear. From there, you're ready to create shipping labels directly in Shippo. Select an order, confirm the address and package details, and purchase the label. When you buy a label through Shippo, the platform can send tracking information and fulfillment updates back to your store automatically, as long as the integration supports it. This keeps your customers informed without extra steps on your part. If you manage more than one store, you can repeat the same connection process to add each one under the same Shippo account. That way, all orders from all your storefronts roll into a single workspace, making it easier to organize and